Just a quick PSA for you guys out there with your Mitutoyo calipers. I got the eBay special right here, and one way, if you want to check if yours are real or not, first of all, buy from a reputable place. eBay's probably not the best place to buy it. Easiest way to tell though is in all the packaging and stuff. I got this brand new. The battery it comes with, see, that's an LR44. If it comes with an LR44 and it was brand new, absolutely 100%, it is a fake set of calipers. If it comes with an SR44 battery, then you got the real deal. That's just a really quick, down dirty way to tell it. Otherwise though, you know, got my money back for this fake pair. Overall though, it's not a terrible set. It works for all intended purposes, but I'll tell you one thing, if you leave this battery in here, even though it shows that it's off, this thing will eat through your battery. So I just kind of keep them as a throw around pair in the shop and take the battery out when it's not in use.